Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, we're going to talk about how we get paid in Exitus Elite. And I'm going to start with that right now so you can see what your customers receive. The Genesis product library. When some join your team, they purchase a digital education package. The source of your commissions, your membership level determined the amount of the commission you can earn. For example, a G100 can make you a maximum commission of $100. A G500 can make a maximum of $500. If a higher product package is purchased, the balance of the commission passed up to the next member at the required level. Here is a full picture of what it costs to get started at each level. So as you can see here, there are admin fees on each one of these products. Now the reason why that is that's how Exitus Elite makes their money. If we were just paying each other our commissions and that was it, Exitus Elite would be making no money. So the admin fee is how Exitus Elite gets paid. That's how they keep running and how they and when you pay for the product, you're essentially giving your sponsor their commission. So right here, let's say at the G 1000, which I came in, I paid $299 to Exitus Elite, and then $1,000 paid to my sponsor. So you pay the admin fee, and then you pay me my commission. So that's how it works. Now there are three different ways you can get paid in this business. Of course, your normal commission. If you make a G100 sale, you get $1,000 commission. The other way, let's say somebody comes in at the G100, but they make a G1000 sale. What's going to happen is they're still going to make their commission no matter what. And then whatever's left over that commission, since I'm qualified here at the G1000, that remaining 900 is going to get passed up to me. So I made money off of somebody coming in at a higher level from this G100 person. So let's say I was at the G2000. They make a G2000 sale. They still keep their 100, and the remaining 1900 that's left over comes to me because I'm qualified here at the G2000. Now, the other way you can make money in this business is let's say I want to upgrade to the G2000, which will happen eventually, but for now I'm staying right here at the G1000. Well, when I came in at the G1000, I paid $299 to my sponsor, and then $1,000 paid to my and $1,000 paid to my sponsor. So what we're going to do here is when I come in here, I'm going to subtract $299 from this $399, and $1,000 from the commission goes to my sponsor. So instead of coming in at $23.99, I'm going to be coming in at $1,100, and that goes for any time you upgrade. You always pay the difference for what you purchased in the last product. So that's how you get paid in Exitus Elite. And what do you get with your package? So this is the Genesis library. It's basically an educational library that helps you with business marketing, mindset training, and so much more. So at the G100, you get 17 courses. At the G250, you get 10 courses. At the G500, you get 13 courses. And then at the G1000, which I came in at, you get 25 courses. And then at the G2000, you get 31 courses. Now, Exitus Elite is constantly getting updated, so they're adding new things to each product level. And And that's what you get with your purchase. Now we come back here. The reason why I always say come in as high as you possibly can, I like to go all in my businesses. But at the time and for right now, I could only come in at the G1000. But the G1000 and the G2000 are the sweet spots in this business because one commission can make you a lot of money. But let's say you did come in at the G1000. All these product levels unlock for you at no extra cost. And the same goes from if you come in at the G250 and up, all the product levels unlock for you at no extra cost. So what that means is not only can I make money at the G1000, but I can also make commissions at all these other levels. Now, a few 2 weeks ago, I made I had a $500 day in Exodus Elite. That's why I love this business because even your lowest commission is a $100 bill. So that's why I love high ticket affiliate offers because you can make more money in Exodus Elite the higher you come in. So, and Exodus Elite can be a life changing opportunity as well. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of Exodus Elite right here. Built to last. While others come and go, we have been paying members consistently since 2014. No rebrands, no resets, no broken promises. And then it was founded in 2014. It's been paying for over 11 years now, so over a decade, and 100% commissions kept. Our story, one promise never broken. Exodus Elite was founded in 2014 with a single mission: create a platform where affiliates keep 100% of their commission. No company taking their cuts, no hidden fees, just direct member to member payments, handled transparency, and paid instantly. For over a decade, we've maintained that promise. While other companies in this space launch with big claims and disappear within months, we have been here consistently paying members, improving our platform, and adding value to our digital education library. Longevity in this industry is rare. We wear it with a badge of honor. So, this is how we get paid in Exodus Elite. We can use Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, authorized.net, Stripe, and Square. Now, right here where it says other, oh, excuse me, guys. If you have another way of getting paid, you can put it right here. But all these options right here, you can make instant payments. Now, I made a, here are some examples of some commissions I've made. I'm going to bring them all up here. Over the years, where's that other one? I already did that one. All right. Okay, so here's some examples of commissions I made over the years. This was a $500 commission I made, and then I made another 500 recently. This was 2 Mondays ago. I made a $500 commission in Cash App, and then here's an example of a $1,000 commission, and then an example of a $150 commission. Now, this one was made from somebody who upgraded from the G100 to the G250, so I got a split payment because they only pay the difference for what they purchased in the last product, like I told you. So these are examples of the kind of commissions you can make in Exodus Elite. I mean, I sometimes can't believe it when I make commissions this big in this business, or even like say $1,000 commission. I mean, if you got $1,000 commission, like 4 of them a month, that's $4,000. That's life-changing money. Now, I'm going to show you one more thing. There is another way you can make money in this business. Let's go back here. So we have a Exitus Elite sales team. They can close sales for you. So when people come into your lead capture page and they click the confirmation email, you can make sales without doing any work. Like it says here, sales support when you need it. Optional, flexible, professional. One click on or off, so you can turn it off in the back office if you don't want people going to it, or you can turn it on. So if you want to keep 100% of your commission always, you can turn it off. Because when you close your own sale, obviously you make 100% of the commission. What happens here is in Exodus Elite, if the sales team makes a sale for you, you get your commission. But you get 80% of the commission. It's an 80-20 split. So let's say the sales team closes a sale for me and I make a G1000 sale. I'm going to get $800 of that sale. And the person who did all the work for me is going to get 200%. I'm sorry, $200 for doing no work at all. I mean, an 80-20 split is an amazing thing. Paul Stevenson originally was going to make it at 50-50, but because he's always looking for ways for us to make more money in our businesses. He's always for us affiliates. So, confident making your own sales? Excellent. Keep 100% of the commission. Not quite ready? Short on time? Taking a vacation? Activate our optional sales team with one click in your back office. Your sales number appears on your website and the team handling all inbound calls while you get on with your business. A 20% fee applies per sale, invoiced after you get paid. So, how it works. The team works for you. Prospects call in, we call back. You get paid. Here's an excellent Here's exactly what that means. What we do. When you activate the sales team, here is what they handle on your behalf. Return calls, return the call, answer your prospect's questions, make the sale on your behalf, get paid, get you paid. What we do not do, this is only an inbound service. Only inbound only service. No outbound calls, no chasing, no campaigns. Call prospects for you, offer follow up or chasing, do your marketing. So you still got to drive people to your business, but in this case, um, that's how it works. So you can turn this on or off and start making money for doing no work. Now, I always like to do my own sales, but so I can keep 100% of the commission. But let's say I am busy and I am not doing anything. It's really um, an amazing way of getting paid for doing nothing. I mean, an 80-20 split. I mean, that's most of the 80% of the commission is most of the commission. 20%, which I think seems fair, should go to the person who did all the work for you. So that's Exodus Elite. That is the compensation plan, and that is why I love this business. I have no fear of bringing anyone into this business. It's all up to you if you want your business to fail or be successful. You got to put your own effort into it, obviously. But I'm here to help if you need it. I won't do the work for you, but I will help guide you into the right way. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I want to talk about in this video. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. I will have attached to this video a longer version of this video so you can, um, because I get into more stuff about Exodus Lead. This one I was just making solely for the compensation plan, but that's pretty much it. The link to join or check out Exodus Lead is in the description below. We also have I also have my contact information down there, my phone number, which you've probably seen throughout this video. And also, yeah, like the video if you liked it, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel. I hope to be working with all of you very soon. Bye.